Jaw-dropping net worth, inside the most expensive celebrity homes. Imagine living in a palace. Celebrities often do just that. Today, we showcase the 3 most expensive celebrity houses and their jaw-dropping net worth. First on our list is Beyoncé and Jay-Z's Bel Air mansion. This stunning home cost $88 million and spans 30,000 square feet. Their combined net worth: a staggering $1.5 billion. Next, we have George Clooney's Lake Como villa in Italy. This luxurious property is valued at $100 million. George Clooney's net worth: an impressive $500 million. Third, Oprah Winfrey's Montecito estate in California. This sprawling mansion is worth $90 million and covers 23,000 square feet. Oprah's net worth: an astounding $2.7 billion. These homes are more than just residences. They are symbols of success and luxury. Each property boasts unique features that reflect the personality of its owner. Beyoncé and Jay-Z's mansion includes a spa, for pools, and a basketball court. It's a haven for relaxation and entertainment, perfect for the music power couple. George Clooney's villa offers breathtaking views of Lake Como. It's a private retreat with lush gardens, a tennis court, and an outdoor theater, ideal for the Hollywood legend. Oprah Winfrey's estate is a paradise of peace and tranquility. It features rose gardens, a koi pond, and several guest houses, fitting for the media mogul's serene lifestyle. Such extravagant homes require serious wealth. These celebrities have earned their fortunes through talent, hard work, and savvy business ventures. Their stunning properties serve as both homes and havens, offering privacy and luxury. They reflect the pinnacle of what can be achieved in the entertainment industry. These houses are not just about luxury. They are statements of immense success and personal taste. They show how these celebrities have invested in their comfort and well-being. Imagine the stories that unfold within these walls. These homes are the perfect backdrop for a life of glamour, making them worth every million. So next time you dream of a luxurious lifestyle, remember these incredible celebrity homes. They exemplify the extraordinary heights of success and wealth in the world of entertainment.